Hi there, in this tutorial we're going to look at a strategy called chunking and division. The strategy chunking and division is used when we want to make division problems a little bit easier for us. And division problems can be made easier by doing what we call chunking. I'm going to start with an example, a pretty straightforward example, and you might know how to solve this problem straight away in your head, and you might just actually know what the answer to this problem is. But we'll use it as an example. I've got here 36 divided by 4. Now what I can do, if I'm not sure of what 36 divided by 4 is, I can actually chunk it up. I can chunk this number here, 36, up into 2 or 3 different chunks and then divide them by 4. So in this case I know that 20 is divisible by 4 and 16 is divisible by 4. And 20 and 16 together equal 36. So I take this chunk, 20, and I take this chunk, 16, and then I divide them both by 4. And I'm just going to change my color for a second. Divide by 4, divide by 4. And then if I divide 20 by 4, I know that that is 5. And if I divide 16 by 4, I know that that is 4. And then I simply add these two numbers together, and that will give me 9. And 36 divided by 4 is, as some of you may know, 9. Now, I'm going to move on to a slightly more difficult problem now, and take a problem like 155 divided by 5. Now there are probably a few different strategies, but we'll use the chunking strategy for this one. And a quite obvious chunk for this number here, 155, is 155. So I've got 100 here and I've got 55 there. And I know that if I just change colors quickly, I divide both of these numbers by 5, 100 divided by 5 and 55 divided by 5, I know that 100 divided by 5 is 20, and I know that 55 divided by 5 is 11, and so I add those together and I get 31. And so that takes me right back to the beginning. What is 155 divided by 5? 31.